One eternity minute later. Here we go, guys. Grandma Gravedigger. So this one was actually used in the 40th anniversary encore and the 30th anniversary encore. But this is my second Gravedigger for 2024. I actually got the 30th early from Santa Claus. Just because I asked for it, and it was actually brand new. It was supposed to release this year. This was supposed to be for 2023, and it just released it this year for some reason. Well, it was just last year, and no one wanted to buy it. But that's it. This is video, Monster Jam fans and Orca fans, because this one is part of Orca fan. It's not going to be going to Monster Jam, but still. But have a nice day. Bye.